Consider the following set of ordered data. This. Write down the mode, the range, the median. Okay, mode is 22. Range is, if we look here, 42 minus 20. 32 minus 22 equal 20. Median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 data type minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, median or Q, the second Q. Okay, and median is 28 plus 32 over 2. 30. So median is 30. Find the interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal Q3 minus Q1. Which one? Q3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Q3 and this is the Q1. So it is 38 minus 26. Okay. 12. Number 2, points A and B lie on a circle with center O and radius R centimeters, where angle AOB equal 1.5 radians. This is shown on the following diagram. This diagram, the area sector OAB is 48 centimeters squared. Find the value of R. Area sector. The area of sector formula is half R squared theta. Theta is this angle, 1.5 radians, and it is half. Sorry. Okay, one half times R squared, okay, equal 48, because the area sector is 48. So it means R squared. This is theta, I forgot. It's supposed to be like this. Wait. 1 half R squared 1.5 equal 48. And it's going to be 1.5 R squared equal 96. So R squared equal 96 over 1.5. R squared equals 64. So R equals to root 64, 8 centimeters. Find the perimeter of sector OAB. Find perimeter, it means we need to find the arc length first. Arc length. Okay, the arc length equal R times radius times angle, theta. It's going to be 8 times 1.5, 12 centimeters. So perimeter equal 2 times R plus arc length plus 12 centimeters. So it is 16 centimeters plus 12 centimeters equal 28 centimeters. That's the perimeter. Two events A and B are such that probability A is 0.65, probability B 0.45, and probability A union B 0.85. Find probability A intersection B. We can use the formula for A. We can use the formula that probability A union B equal probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. Or if probability A intersection B is the subject, this formula we can rearrange becomes probability A plus probability B minus probability A union B. So it's going to be 0.65 plus 0.45 minus 0.85. And if you calculate, the result is 0.25. Next, B. B is this one. The conditional probability of AXN given BXN. Right. So we need to find the probability BXN first. It's 1 minus probability B, 1 minus 0.45, 0.55. And after that, probability AXN intersection BXN equal 1 minus probability A union B. Okay, according to this rule, according to the Morgan law. So it becomes 1 minus 0.85. And the result is 0.15. Now let's define this. The conditional probability of AXN given BXN. Probability, the unconditional probability AXN given BXN equal probability AXN intercept BXN intersection with BXN over probability BXN 0.15 over 0.55. If you calculate, the result is 0.27 or 27.27% in percentage. Prove that 3n plus 2 squared minus 3n minus 2 squared is a multiple of 12 for all n element of integer positive, right? I would like to describe this, expand 3n plus 2 squared minus 3n minus 2 squared equal 9n squared plus 2 times 3 times 2, 12. 12n plus 4 minus 9n squared minus 12n plus 4 minus equals 0 equals 0. So it is 12n plus 12n. So it means 3n plus 2 squared equal 3n minus 2 squared. If you look the result, 12n plus 12n, or it is equal 24n, is a factor of 12. So it means the conclusion 3n plus 2 squared minus 3n minus 2 squared equal 24, and is indeed multiple of 12 for all n. X. The following diagram shows triangle ABC where AB equals 4 centimeters, BC 6 centimeters, AC 5 centimeters, and angle ABC 2 theta. This is a triangle. Find the exact value of cosine theta, giving your answer in the form p square root 2 over q. P and q element of integer positive. Right. We are going to using cosine rule. Cosine 2 theta equal AB squared plus BC squared minus AC squared over 2AB BC. 2AB times BC. Wait, I'm gonna fix 2AB times BC, right? So it means AB equal, wait, I'm gonna show you this triangle. AB is 4 squared, plus BC 6 squared, okay, minus AC 5 squared over 2 times 4 times 6. And if you calculate, it is 27 over 48. Simplify becomes 9 over 16. Next. Now we are going to use the double angle formula. The double angle formula is cosine 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta equal to cosine squared theta minus 1, or 2 cosine squared theta equal cosine 2 theta plus 1. And this is 2 cosine squared theta. Cosine 2 theta is 1, 9 over 16 plus 1. Cosine 2 theta, 2 cosine squared theta equal 9 plus 16, 25 over 16. 25 over 16, and is, wait, after that, we are going to find cos squared theta is 25 over 2 times 16, 32. So cosine theta, the root 25 over 32, or it is 5 over 16 times 2, it means 4 square root 2. Now we are going to multiply with 2. Rationalize the denominator. It's going to be 5 square root 2, 4 times 2, 8. This. For a particular arithmetic sequence, U10 equals 16 and S25 100. Find the value of k such that uk equal 0, right? If u10 equals 16, it means a plus 9d equals 16. This is the first equation. And S25 equal 25 half times 2a plus 24d 100, and it is 25 2a plus 24d equal 200 because 2 multiply 100. And factorize this 25 to a plus 12d equals 200, and 2 times 25, 50. A plus 12d equals 200. A plus 12d. 200 over 50 is 4. This is the second equation. All right. Through first equation and second equation, a plus 9d over equals 16, a plus 12d equal 4, minus, eliminate a, so it becomes minus 3d equal 12, d equal minus 4. And after the substitute, substitute d equal minus 4 into a plus 9d equal 16. It means a plus 9 times minus 4 equals 16. A equals 16. This is minus 36. So 16 plus 36. A equal 52. And next, k, it means a plus k minus 1 times d, it equals 0. A equal 52. 52 plus k minus 1 times minus 4 equals 0. 52 plus minus 4k plus 4 equals 0. 52 plus 4 is 56, plus minus 4k equals 0, or 4k equal 56. So k, we can determine k equal 56 over 4. It is 14. Number 7, the following diagram shows parts of the graph of two functions f and g. The graph of f is linear, has an x-intercept at 4.4, and a y-intercept at 0,8. The graph of g has x-intercept at minus 2,0 and 4,0, and a y-intercept at 0,8. So if we look this diagram, that F is the straight line while G is the quadratic equation. This is straight line, the linear equation, and this is the quadratic equation. Question A, write down the equations for F in the form fx equal mx plus c, right? We want to start here. A, f, function f through 4, 0, and 0, 8. The first, the y-intercept, okay, the y-intercept is at 0, 8, this one. So it means c equal 8. And then the x-intercept is at 4, 0. So it means x equal 4 and fx equal 0. Y equals 0, fx equal 0. Fx, according to the information that fx equal mx plus c. Substitute this information, it means 0 equal m times 4 plus 8. So 4m equal minus 8. M equal minus 2. So fx equal minus 2x plus 8. That is fx. Next question. The functions g is given by gx equal minus x squared plus bx plus 8, where b is a real constant. Find the value of b. We are going to find the value of b. G is quadratic equation. Now b, part b, g of our function g has intercept point at minus 2, 0. Intercept at minus 2, 0. It means g minus 2, sorry. It means g minus 2 equal 0. If g minus 2 equals 0, we can continue to 4. Yeah, for x equal minus 2, substitute into this equation that substitute into gx equal minus x squared plus bx plus 8. Okay, so it's going to be, so this one, g minus 2 is equal, this is 0, is equal minus 2, minus of minus 2 squared plus b minus 2 plus 8 equals 0. This is minus 4 minus 2b plus 8 equals 0. So minus 2b plus 4 equals 0. So it means 2b equal 4, b equal 2. Show that the area of the region enclosed by the graph of f and the graph of g can be represented by the definite integral, this integral 0 to 4 of minus x squared plus 4x dx. So if you look at this graph, okay, this is fx, the linear equation, and the quadratic equation is gx. So it means the integral from, this is 0 to this area we are going to calculate. Okay, and this is from 0 to 4, x from 0 to 4. So the definite integral is 0 to 4. Okay, see, if b equals 2, it means the function fx equal minus x squared plus 2x plus 8. This is fx. Sorry, this is gx, not fx. Okay, because it's gx. While fx is minus 2x plus 8. Now, but the integral 0 to 4, because x from 0 to 4, the area, gx minus fx dx. Gx minus fx, because if you look the position, this graph, this gx, okay, gx minus fx. Okay. So we can write it like this: integral 0 to 4, gx is 1 minus x squared plus 2x plus 8 minus fx is, wait, I'm gonna see, minus 2x plus 8 dx comes minus x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 2x minus 8 dx. Sorry, no, not that one. Eliminate 8, eliminate 8, because 8 minus 8 equals 0, so integral becomes this one, 0 to 4 of minus x squared plus 4x dx. Same with this one. Hence, find the area of the region enclosed by the graph of f and the graph of g. Okay, we are going to calculate the area. So, g integral 0 to 4 is the area. We're going to find the integral of this function is, the integral is minus 1/3 x cubed plus 2x squared. After that, substitute 4 and 0 into this to this integral, the integral of this function, and then it becomes minus 1/3 4 cubed, 2 times 4 squared, minus 0. So this is 0. We are going to calculate this one, minus 1/3 times 64. This is becomes, oh yeah, this is not minus but plus, it's a plus, sorry, 32. It's gonna be minus 64 third plus 32, and if you calculate the result is uh, positive 32, 32 third, okay. Or in decimal, 10.67 square unit. Like what? Point P is on the graph of G. The tangent to the graph of G at P is parallel to the graph of F. Find the coordinates of P, right? Part E. I'm going to use in this space. Okay. Given that the function fx equal minus 2x plus 8. So it means gradient equal minus 2. This one, the gradient. And gx equal minus x squared plus 2x plus 8. This function has tangent, has tangent at point P, tangent at point P, and point P must must also has a gradient equal minus 2 because of parallel. Okay. So now we are going to find the derivative of gx, and it equals minus 2, right? Because if you're going to find point P, we are going to find the derivative of gx, and the derivative of gx equals minus 2. So derivative of gx equals minus 2. And the derivative of gx is minus 2x plus 2, it equals minus 2. Minus 2x equal minus 2 minus 2. Okay, and then minus 2x equals minus 4. So x equal 2. X equals 2. Now substitute x equals minus 2 into gx, because we are going to find the coordinate point, x and y. So g2 equal minus 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 8. And if you calculate, it equal 8. So coordinate point P, coordinate point P is 2, 8. That's one. Number 8, the function f is defined as fx equal log 2 4x, where x greater than 0. Find the value of f8 and f1/4 or 1/4. Right. The first is one, f equal 8. Fx or f8 is fx equal log 2 4 times 8. Log 2, 32. Log 2, 2 power 5. Or we can write 5 log 2 of 2. This is 1, so 5 times 1 is 1. So f8 equal 5. How about f1/4? f1/4 equal log 2 4 times 1/4 log 2 of 1. Log 1 equals 0. So f1/4 is 0. Find an expression for inverse fx. Inverse fx, okay, b, y equal log 2 for x, or is equivalent with 2 power y equal 4x. Okay, or we can writing as x equal 2 power y over 4. So inverse equal 2 power x over 4. Or we can writing in the difference model is this is 2 power x over 2 squared, or 2 power x minus 2, like this. Okay. Now part C, find f inverse if x equals 0. X equals 0. So I'm going to use this model. 0, 2 power 0 minus 2 is 2 power minus 2 or 1/4. The graph of y equal f16x cubed can be obtained by translating and stretching the graph of y equal log 2x. Describe. There's two transformations specifying the order in which they are to be applied. Okay, part D. We start with the basic function is y equal log 2x. This function passes through the point 1, 0. Because if x equal 1, y equal 0. And it increases slowly for the large value of x, while approaching negative infinity as x approaches 0 from the right. And the next step, we can rewrite the expression y equal log 2 16x cubed 1. Wait, I'm gonna fix first. Okay, this expression. We will now break down the transformation that occur from the basic graph y equal log 2x to this graph. So the transformations can describe from uh, this graph to this graph. The transformations are the first stretching, and then translation. Stretching and translation. Number 9, consider a cylinder of radius 4r and height h. A smaller cylinder of radius r is removed from the center to form a hollow cylinder. So there are two cylinder with radius 4r and a cylinder for radius r. This is shown in the following diagram. We can see in this diagram. All lengths are measured in centimeters. The total surface area of the hollow cylinder in centimeters squared is given by S. The volume of the hollow cylinder in centimeters cubed is given by V. Show that S equal 30 pi r squared plus 10 pi r h. Right, I will start with outer surface area. Outer surface area of larger cylinder. I'm going to write in the symbol A, area outer. The outer equal to pi times radius for r times h. It becomes 8 pi rh. The first and the second. About inner surface area of smaller cylinder. A inner is equal to pi radius r h. And the third is top and bottom surface. Top and bottom surface area. A top, bottom. Two, top and bottom, it means two because they are equal each other. 16 pi r squared minus 1 pi r squared. It is 2 times 15 pi r squared equals 30 pi r squared. And then the total surface area wait. The total surface area uh, or S S equal area outer plus inner surface area or smaller cylinder or A inner plus top and bottom. Equal 8 pi RH, 2 pi RH 30 pi r squared, 10 pi r h, 30 pi r squared. That is the total surface area. The total surface area of the hollow cylinder is 240 pi centimeter squared. Show that volume equal 360 pi r minus 45 pi r cubed. Part B. Right. If total surface area is 240 pi centimeter squared, it means this is equal to 240. It means 30 pi r squared plus 10 pi r h equal to 240 pi according to this information, and divided by pi, it's going to be 30 r squared 10 RH equal 240. And we're going to find H. So it means 10 RH equal 240 minus 30 r squared. And then H equal 240 minus 30 r squared over 10r. So this is 24 r power minus 1 minus 3r. Okay, after that, we continue to find the next volume cylinder. Okay, I'm going to find the volume of cylinder. Okay. Volume cylinder is volume of the larger cylinder or volume outer. Volume outer equal pi 4 r, the radius, times h. This is 16 because of 4 squared, pi r squared h. And then volume of smaller cylinder, volume inner, it means smaller cylinder, pi r squared h. So volume cylinder equal volume outer minus volume inner equal this one 16 pi r squared h minus 1 pi r squared h equal 15 pi r squared h. That one. Now substitute this value, substitute h equal 24 r power minus 1 minus 3r into this one, into volume cylinder, into volume, this one volume cylinder. So volume becomes volume cylinder equal 15 pi r squared times 24 r power minus 1 minus 3r And if you calculate, the result is 360 pi r, because 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 45. 45 pi r cubed, that one. This is the volume cylinder. This one. Find an expression for derivative of phi, dphi dr. C, dphi dr. Derivative of this functions, volume cylinder function, 360, 360 pi, I mean, minus 3 times 45, 135 pi r squared. And the next, the hollow cylinder has its maximum volume when r equal p square root 2/3, where p element of integer plus integer positive integer. Find the value of p. We are going to find the value of p. D. Volume maximum when dphi equal 0. So 360 pi minus 135 pi r squared equals 0. 360 pi minus 135 pi, according to the information that r equal p square root 2/3. So substitute r into this equation, becomes p square root 3 square root 2/3 squared equals 0. And next, divide it by pi. 360 minus 135 p squared, and then it is 2/3 equals 0. Okay, so 360 minus 135 times 2 divided by 3, 270 divided by 3 equals 90. P squared equals 0. So 90p squared equals 360. P squared equals 360 over 90, or P squared equals 4. P equals square root 4, and it is 2. So P equals 2. Okay. And so that, yeah, P equal 2. Hence, find this maximum volume. Find maximum volume. Okay, giving your answer in the form q pi square root 2/3 maximum volume. Right. If r equal p square root 2/3, it means this is r equal to square root 2/3. Volume equal 360 by r minus 45 by r cubed, or 360 by substitute this value r, 2 times square root 2/3, 45 by 2 square root 2/3 cube. Okay, so it becomes 360 times 2, 720 pi square root 2/3. 45 times, this is 2 cube is 8. So 45 times 8, 360 pi. 360 pi square root 2/3 cube. 720 pi, we are going to factorize, minus 360 pi. This is power 3, it means square root 2/3 times square root 2/3 square. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, equals 3. So after that, wait, I'm gonna writing square root 2 like this, minus, and this is 2/3. So 2/3 times 360 pi square root 2/3, like this. Comes 720 pi 2/3 minus 360 times 2, 720 divided by 3, 200, 240 pi square root 2/3. Okay. Next, 720 minus 240, that is 480 pi square root 2/3. So if we look the question, this is phi. If you look the question, let's evaluate the question. In the form q pi square root 2/3, meaning q equal 480. That's right.